Hello. In this video, I want to find the indefinite integral of x to the negative 1. So if we have the integral of x to the negative 1 dx, that's the same thing as the integral of 1 over x dx. Now we can't use the power rule here, because notice what the power rule says. We would add 1 to this exponent, and then divide by the reciprocal, or divide by whatever we get from that, negative 1 plus 1. But notice that that gives me x to the 0 power over 0. And anything over 0 is undefined, so this just does not work. It's the reason why the power rule needs that extra condition that the exponent cannot be negative 1. Now what happens if it is negative 1? Well, we have 1 over x here. And the integral of 1 over x, well, when you take the derivative of, or what can you have when you take the derivative of it that will give you the that will give you the 1 over x? Well, that's the natural log of x. And there you go. Now, technically, there's an absolute value around that, but for me, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to always assume that x is positive. But there you go, yeah. And then, of course, that plus c at the end. Now, look at this. Find the following integral of the integral of 4 over x dx. I can bring that 4 out front because it's a coefficient of 1 over x dx. So this would give me 4 times the natural log of, technically, the absolute value of x plus c. Come on now. And then that would be it. And if you're careful, you can realize that the 4 can always go out front and ask yourself, what's the integral of 1 over x? And then just go from there. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.